Hi guys, I'm Rhyno Smith, and when I have to prepare food for my family, I always make creamy chicken pasta. To prepare the meal, you're gonna need some chicken breasts, some pasta, you're gonna need a handful of spinach, a spoon of garlic, an onion, and half a green pepper, and also a cup of cream. So while we're waiting for the pasta to cook, we'll just throw some onions and green peppers in the pan, along with some olive oil. We'll fry the onions until they are just about see-through, and make sure to put your bowls in the dishwasher, otherwise your wife gets upset. So we normally leave the pasta for a bit just so that the sauce can thicken, and in the meantime we normally have a bit of coffee. It's an abstract painting, as you can see. Hi guys, for dessert we normally get stuck into some Tim Tams. You bite off the one edge, bite off the other edge, suck some coffee through it, and then you smash the whole cookie.
Just look it.
Do you want Winky?